In this video, we'll be showing you how to use a ratchet strap. The first thing you'll need to do is thread the strap through the mechanism. To do so, make sure that the slot is facing towards you, or in a way that you can easily insert the strap. Then, taking the strap, grab the end that is open. Next, you'll want to make sure that the ratchet mechanism is completely open and unlocked. With the ratchet now in the open position, we can begin to thread the strap through the mechanism. Since this is a rather long strap, we'll be pulling the excess through the mechanism. In some cases, if there is too much extra strap, then it can actually wind up and cause the mechanism to release. Once that is done, you can then refeed the strap through the top part of the mechanism, and then pull any of the excess through. Once the strap is threaded fully through, you can then begin to attach the hooks to your anchor points. With both ends now securely fastened, pull any of the excess slack through the mechanism, and then close the ratchet by pulling the lever and pushing the handle forward. After releasing the lever and having the ratchet in the closed position, you can then begin to work the mechanism and tighten the strap. To undo the ratchet strap, you'll want to pull the lever and then fully extend the mechanism. Make sure you lock it into place and it clicks. Then you can simply pull it towards you and it will give you slack, and you can undo the ratchet strap from your anchor points. And that is how you use ratchet strap. Thanks for watching.